and welcome back, Newlands Primary School. I hope everyone had a nice weekend and you're raring to go and ready to hear about the challenges that we're setting for this week. Now, this week we're going to be focusing on empathetic bravery.
Empathetic bravery. The courage to put aside our own assumptions and stereotypes and listen to another's perspective. This opens us up to feel deeply for others and to learn from their experiences.
And the story we're going to hear this week is very, very special. It's an Aesop fable. Now, Aesop fables are very old stories that have been told for hundreds of years. And they're special because every story has a lesson to be learned. Now, the story we're going to listen today to has to do with empathetic bravery. And the story is The Lion and the Mouse.
The Lion and the Mouse. A lion lay asleep in the forest, his great head resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and haste to get away, ran across the lion's nose, roused him from his nap. The lion laid his huge paws angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. "Spare me," begged the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I'll surely repay you." The lion was much amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let the mouse go. Some days later, while stalking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught in the toils of a hunter's neck. Unable to free himself, he filled the forest with his angry roaring. The mouse knew the voice and quickly found the lion struggling in the net. Running to one of the great ropes that bound him, he gnawed it until it parted, and soon the lion was free. "You laughed when I said I would repay you," said the mouse. "Now you see that even a mouse can help a lion."
Kindness is never wasted. It's a little bit of a surprise to see how that story ended, but sometimes people who may not consider themselves to be friends, if you're kind to each other, might find out that you really can be friends and help each other. Now, it's time for our challenge. We've learned lots of signs already, and I'm seeing the children use them around school. We need to continue doing that. Now, today, we're going to learn some more signs that have to do with our emotions. We already learned sorry to have it way. Now, we're going to learn 4 more. And the first one we're going to learn is happy. So the first word is happy. Happy. So your hands are together and then you slap them across. Happy. Happy. So you give it a go. Happy. So remember, how are you today? Happy. Okay, have a go. Our next word is sad. And it's sad. So just straight in, down, sad. I am sad. So how are you? I'm sad. You have a go. Sad. Go ahead. Practice it. Right. The next word is excited. So it's together and it's like really excited. Excited. right? So you have a go. Excited. How are you? I'm excited. Excited. Go ahead. Have a practice. Sometimes we can't always be happy or excited. Sometimes we do feel angry. So the one for angry is hands kind of like that. Angry. Use your face. Angry. So, how are you today? Angry. Angry. You have a go. So, we now have 4 new words. We have happy, happy. So, how are you? Happy. And we have sad, sad. How are you? Sad. And the next we have is excited. Excited. So, how are you? Excited. And then we have angry. Angry. So, how are you? Angry. You'll notice that my face makes a lot of faces when I do the different ones. So, happy. Happy. Sad. Excited. Angry. So you need to remember, face has a lot to do with sign language as well. So 4 new signs. What a busy week we're going to have with our challenges this week. I want everyone to have a good day. Bye.